Hey guys, I just want to show you again what to expect if you want me to tutor you and mentor you when it comes to learning how to program, right? So like I said, I provided these sessions. I'll tell you more about it. But one of the things that you want to learn definitely, whether you are a C# developer, a Java developer, it's going to be source control or version control using Git, right? Whether on Azure DevOps or on GitHub, this is critical. But as you are now ready to develop and you're still busy, like I am being busy developing, let me show you what I mean. Let me go to mobile project, right? And then let me just go to utilities folder because these are my helper classes, right? Let me go to datetime converter. It's my helper class. Now, before I go anywhere, I want to show you the Git changes, right? Because it's already been tracked. There are no changes whatsoever. And I want to pin this tab on the right side. But let's say I want to rename something, this method, right? I want to say datetime ago underscore test, right? And I just say rename. I want to show you that how it's going to affect so many things. Look at the number of changes by just renaming this method. You want to be able to track that if I change this method name or a class or a property, how is it going to affect others? And what you can do, let's start with this class. For example, under utilities, I need to save it. Okay, so if you double tap on it, it will show you the changes, right? So let me just move that one on the side. It showed you what was before and what is right now, and also shows you where it changed, you utilizing it. You see, this is where the change occurred, this is where the change occurred, and this is where the change occurred. On a different class also, change occurred here and the change occurred there. Like I said, everywhere where I'm using that helper class with the helper method. So this is all about version control, right? So you can do push and pull. And then also, this is how I would write my message. Today being 24th of August, right? 2023. It's Thursday. And I like to say this operation was modified, right? I will say, what did I modify? Changed the method name of what class was it? Datetime converter, right? And I'll just say of datetime converter class on mobile project. So this is how I've over the years I've learned to write the message, and I'll just hit push. But first you need to stage them, right? We're talking about stage, and then you can choose, let's say I want to undo this one. You can undo, you're allowed to undo them, or you can undo everything that's in this folder, undo. This is all about version control, right? If you say, you know what, I don't want to make the change, you can undo everything, and you're allowed to do so, right? And it will stop tracking everything. Now, when it comes to, let me show you, there we go. Let me quickly go to my GitHub because I just made some changes and then show you. Right. So as you can see, iOS had recent pushes 18 minutes ago. So this is what I'll be teaching you about the branches, because I have 3 branches. I have a master. So when I'm done building from Visual Studio, I push to master. Then from master, what I do, I now say, okay, the recent changes, I know there's no problems. And even if we are collaborating, all will be going to master. That's how I want to be. But if I'm ready to say, I want to push a new version to iOS, we do exactly that, right? So this is all about that. And then as you can see, 19 minutes ago, I pushed another commit. So this will show you, and if I tap on it, maybe not, because it's going to reveal certain things, but it's fine. Let's just do something. Let's say the local page that addresses, I don't know what it addresses. Oh, local page that addresses when the user decides to log out, right? So it will show you the type of change I made to which files, right? And also, not only that, there are pull requests, right? We'll talk about pull requests. Like in this case, I just opened one. I'm not going to push it yet because 17 minutes ago, I want now to say Android app is going to get a new version from version 226 to now 227, build number 47. All of this, I'll be showing you how they come together, right? So these were the commits that will go into that. All of this, like I said, it's a version control. If you want me to teach you how I've built my app, my system, for 25 Rand per session, I'm available from 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. on weekdays. And then I'll teach you this on Microsoft Teams. If you're interested, I'll leave my numbers. Until next time.